Hello, yeah, in this video, I want to show you how to fit GE models using the R package glmtoolbox. Okay, so this is another R package which you can use for fitting GE models. Okay, let's go to the R documentation page for this R package first. Okay, so this is the landing page for our documentation for GLM Toolbox. It's a set of tools for data analysis using generalized linear models. So you can see it has here a long list of models it can fit, including linear regression models and generalized linear models, um, negative binomial models, zero inflated Poisson, and generalized estimating equations. Okay, so it's a very comprehensive package for generalized linear models. Okay, and if you click on this PDF file, there's more detailed information and look at the content. It has a long list of um, functions or data sets available in this package. So this is a big package, okay? And what I want to point out, it even has a weighted GEE function for handling missing data, okay, which I'll try to cover later. Um, so let's go back to RStudio now. Okay, now we're back in RStudio. Let me first load in GLM toolbox, and then for comparison, I want to show you also use the geepack and set a random seed, create a data set, and this is what it looked like. So it has an outcome, it's a continuous variable, and it has a ID and time, and then have a covariate age. Okay. First, I want to say let's just use the R package geepack. Remember that function is called the geeglm. Okay. And also, if we want to use the R package glm toolbox, the function is glmge. Okay, so geglm versus glmge. Okay, so pretty funny, right? And the syntax is identical. So here we have the formula, the ID, the data, the correlation structure. We omitted family because by default it's Gaussian for continuous variable. Okay, so let's fit the two models and let's take a look at the output. So this is the first one from GEGLM. You can see it has a coefficient table and with the p-values and also marked with the star system, plus the other estimates. And let's see if we print out the GLMGE model. It's very similar information. Also contains a coefficient table with the p-values, but without the star system. Okay, and it also has a working correlation matrix printed out. Okay, so the previous one, there's only let's see here, the I think the estimated correlation parameter. Okay, just one estimate, but this one is a full working correlation matrix. Okay, and just want show you that if you really want to understand better the um, you know what's in the output, you can use the structure command to take a look at the two objects. So this is from the glmGE. You can see it has all the informations here. And where is the okay. And This one is for the second one, similar information, but a little bit different. Okay. And also, we didn't do any further analysis. For example, if we want to look at the QIC, if you use QIC value on glmGE underscore model, it's not available because the R package glm toolbox, that GE function does not have a QIC. That pack does not have a QIC function. But if you use QIC function on the geepack, you can get the QIC value. For the glmtoolbox package, it has a CIC function, which you can use to extract the CIC value for fitted GE models. Okay. Yeah. So how many R packages we have covered for GE models? That's GE, geepack, and GEM and the glmtoolbox. Thanks for watching.